Retail Regulators, guys, coffin boxes. Get the badge, get the badge. Who's got a knife? Take a picture of the coffins. Look, that's all we got left. If you guys want your chance, come down. We're down to like 12 of them or something.
4, not looks like 9.
9.
9 left.
Last 9. There are no losers at Retail Regulators, guys. Even if you buy a bad coffin box, we'll make it up for you in the coffins. Or in the Amazon pallets. Ooh.
Books are always good.
Day trading.
Ooh.
That might be worth a read right there, bro.
I might actually have to keep this one.
Day trading.
Is that a radar detector?
I might have to keep this one.
Ooh, flamingo and unicorn.
What?
We got one each.
Nighthawk. Can't go wrong with the Nighthawks. Those are arts and crafts.
Arts and crafts.
Arts and crafts.
Arts and crafts.
See some Tempur-Pedic something or another.
Tempur-Pedic.
Mattress protectors.
Oh, that would be nice.
Wireless microphone system by Pyle. Revlon, those move fast. Woo, look at that.
Another little hit.
What's GMB? Well,
Sold.
what on earth? Fan clutch.
Fan clutch. Huh. Look it up. Look it up. GPS navigation.
Ooh. Ooh. That's fancy. It's all there. Recording microphone from the back down to the bottom.
Wow.
What is that?
Stand. Recording microphone stand.
Nighthawk. Can't go wrong with the Nighthawk.
$50 on him. Rotating pet memory box.
Power converter.
That's good. Yeah. You need to drink 2 pots of coffee before you come here next time, so you buy more stuff.
Feeling real jazzed.
Dash kit.
Stamps.
Leather punt. Oh, hearing aids. Those are fucking crazy sometimes.
You need those. Half the time I talk to you, you don't respond. Jason! Jason!
Bluetooth headphones.
Yeah.
Safety goggles.
What do you got there? Speakers.
That's a nice fucking case, though.
Life proof.
iPhone 12 Pro. Probably go con my wife into that one.
Oh,
right
RAM. Let's see.
now. Here's more RAM.
That's an SSD.
Another
These two things are
Tempur-Pedic.
probably worth bank. DDR4 memory and an SSD. These things definitely need to be looked up. PMY.
Chevy brake
Is
pads.
it another thing?
Oh, it's a
20
fucking
gigabyte
speaker for your
SATA?
fucking controller, bro.
Oh, that's a trip.
It's a speaker for the bottom of your controller.
Is that Defender series in there? Those
Where?
are usually
Yeah.
decent money.
Otterbox.
iPhone 11 Pro. That's another. That's my wife's phone again.
Up game enhancer. What is that? Switch up game enhancer. Is that even in there?
What is it? Yeah.
It looks like a radar detector.
Trailer. Oh, it's trailer brake.
Oh, nice.
It's a trailer brake.
Nice. What's the up game enhancer?
For the Switch. Well, I'm sure it's
Floating in here somewhere. Derma roller. Just to get rid of your acne. Don't ask me why I know about that.
You get more?
More.
More
RAM.
What's up with the RAM?
RAM's for so essentially that's what makes your computer run fast.
Nintendo Switch.
There's the switch up thing.
I know,
Is it in there?
they're not in there though.
HDMI cable. What do you mean they're not? Look around the
It's in
bottom of the
there.
box.
Oh, it is.
You gotta flip it around.
Bottom of the box.
Everything's
in there. Apple Jack for Apple fucking phone.
I like Apple Jacks.
There. One of those there.
The show. I don't think I want to know what that is. Oh, it's a wig. It's a wig.
Sweet.
Jacob's so full of crap. He just told someone he lost 40
I'm
pounds.
not sure what that is.
Man, you guys got a bunch of stuff. don't know what that is. Bye bye bloat. I need that right now. House.
What? Lots of random stuff.
You need to check out that RAM. GFCI plug.
Kind of neat. You just build it.
What's
you
the
get a
pile?
file and anything.
What's the Bluetooth pile FM transmitter? What is that? Oh, okay.
Oh, it's an FM modulator for your car.
Yeah, transmitter. A couple dollars. That'll move quick at the yard sale.
That's a good box, guys.